Welcome back to Simply Refined Cooking. Today I'm going to show you guys a really easy and delicious chicken recipe that is perfect for a quick lunch or dinner and can simply be turned into meal prep for the week. First, start to prepare the onions and garlic. Simply chop them very fine and place them to the side for now. Next, start to cut up the chicken. I'm using chicken breasts here, but chicken thighs are a really good alternative. I'm cutting the chicken in half and then I'm going to cut it into thin strips. I like cutting the chicken into strips or cubes so that way you don't have to worry about using a fork and knife when it comes time to eat. Once the chicken is ready to go, heat a sauté pan up and place some vegetable oil in the pan. Add the chicken and move the chicken around to try to get it all into one layer. Depending on how much chicken you use, you may want to do this in multiple batches. Season the chicken with some salt and a little bit of paprika. When the chicken is halfway cooked, add in some soy sauce and honey. This mixture is going to reduce and glaze the chicken beautifully. Meanwhile, cook some asparagus in a pan or in the oven. Make sure to remove the tough ends at the bottom of the asparagus. To finish the dish, I'm serving you with some white rice. You can learn how to make this in our previous video where we went into more detail about cooking rice. This dish comes together literally in a matter of minutes and is perfect for meal prep throughout the week. Enjoy! Thank you guys so much for checking out that video. We really love your support on all of our videos. So if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and hit the like button and let us know in the comments which videos you guys want to see next. We love the feedback that you guys are giving us, so keep it up and thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of your day.